Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the three pathways that exist for Indian medical aspirants to become a doctor in the US. My name is Mrinal Koteri. I was joined All India Rank 1 in NEET UG 2021 and presently a third year MBBS student in AIIMS New Delhi. So as I mentioned, there are three pathways, and the first pathway is entirely based in the US. The first entrance exam that you will write is SAT, followed by 4 years of med school, followed by an exam MCAT, 4 years MD, and then USMLE Step 1 and 2, United States Medical Licensing Examination, followed by 4 years of residency, USMLE Step 3, after which you become a doctor in the US. At the end of this 12-year process, you can expect to earn anywhere between 2 to 4 crores per annum. So this is pathway 1 based entirely in the US. The second pathway is where you complete your MBBS education in India. So you write NEET UG exam, have your 4.5 years of theory MBBS in India, followed by 1 year internship house surgery, followed by USMLE Step 1 and 2, after which you move to the US, have residency for 4 years, followed by USMLE Step 3, and then become a doctor. Same thing, 2 to 4 crores per annum is what you can expect to be earning after that. The third pathway that I'll be talking about is the Miles US pathway, where there is no need for an entrance exam right at the start. 1 year of pre-med with 2 years of theory. 3 years, the first 3 years of this program will be based outside the US, followed by 2 years of clinical practice in the US, after which you will write USMLE Step 1 and 2, followed by 4 years of residency, after which USMLE Step 3, after which you become a doctor. The last end, as you can see, is the same across all three pathways. So in this video, I'll be explaining a little bit more about this third pathway, the Miles US pathway. First pathway, which I had explained more or less, is the advantages and disadvantages of that are that stronger residency placement due to US centric education and clinical rotations. As I mentioned, this entire pathway is based in the US, and therefore it does have its advantages that come with that. Early exposure facilitates adaptation to US medical and social environments. Estimated investment for this is around 5 to 6 crores, and eligibility constraints in some US medical schools because they only accept American citizens. This is a significant downside to this pathway. Pathway 2 is where, as I mentioned, you finish your MBBS in India, followed by residency in the US. High competition in securing residency slots. Lack of US-based clinical rotations negatively affects evaluations during residency interviews because, as you can see, only the 4 years of residency in this are actually based in the US. Low success rates in securing a residency without strong US-based credentials. Most of the success stories are of toppers as their credentials can negate the above points. The third pathway, the Miles US pathway, is a unique program tailored for NEET aspirants to earn a US medical license. Combines pre-med studies, US clinical rotations, and residency into a single streamlined journey. Clinical rotations or residency in the US enhances residency match rates. This is a comparison between the three pathways. The exams to clear in pathway 1 are SAT, MCAT, and USMLE. In pathway 2 is NEET UG and USMLE. In the Miles US pathway, the only exam you have to clear is USMLE, which, as you can see, is common to all pathways. There's no additional entrance exam. The cost here for pathway 1 is 4 to 5 crores. For pathway 2, it depends on whether you take a government seat or a private seat. 1.5 to 5 lakhs if it's a government seat. Private seat is 20 lakhs to 1 crore. The Miles US pathway, the estimated investment into this will be somewhere to the tune of 1 crore. Probability of residency match is very high in pathway 1, as I mentioned, because your entire education is based in the US. Pathway 2 is, for a government seat, it's medium. For a private seat, it is low. And for the Miles US pathway, it is pretty high. Duration for pathway 1 is 12 years, and for pathway 2 and Miles US pathway, it is 9 years. So this was about the multiple pathways, along with a special emphasis on Miles US pathway, which, as you can see, is a real alternative to NEET, which completely removes the need for most entrance exams except for USMLE, which is anyway common to all of them. Thank you so much, and I hope it helped.